Hello, beaders. Welcome to Beachside Bead Boutique. My name is Jerry. Today, I am super excited. This is the day that I've been waiting for. My very first order from the Bead Chest has finally arrived. I have been obsessing over this for quite some time. I honestly feel like a kid on Christmas morning right now. I have not opened this yet, and we are going to discover everything together. And of course, while we're unboxing, I'll be sharing some design ideas and dreaming up all the chaotic boho creations that these beads might become. So let's go ahead and unbox this. This is the Bead Chest. And this box is heavy, I will tell you. This is very heavy. Okay, so we got the first package here. Let's see, do we have oh my good gravy. Oh my goodness. Oh, oh wow. Oh, these are so beautiful. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. Oh, oh, look at these. Look cute little, oh, these fish are so cute. Oh wow. My goodness. And this is not all even. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and get everything organized and I will tell you what everything is. So you know, and then I will link the bead chest in my description box so you can check them out. So give me just a few minutes and I'll be right back. Okay, so the first item that we're going to look at are these really pretty light blue sea glass fish pendants. Look at how pretty these. I love the matte finish. I mean, it's very artisan, handcrafted, and they are all different sizes. So that is just very authentic and natural. Very pretty color. I love the way these feel, and they have a very nice weight to them. And then sea glass is basically just, you know, glass found on the coast, trash turned into treasure. So very authentic, very nice. And the next item that we're going to look at are these gorgeous rose medley Kurobo beads. Look at how pretty these are. Look at the bead hole. I mean, these holes are so nice and large, and I love it. You could do so much with a large hole like that. And I mean, these are so pretty because we have different shades of orange. I mean, so bright and pretty. I mean, look at these paintings on here. This is so beautiful. I mean, these beads are so substantial. I mean, these are so nice. Very, very artisan looking. I mean, it's so nice. I mean, look at these beads. I mean, they weigh like a good bit. I mean, these are nice. Very sturdy and beautiful. Look at these beautiful patterns. I love that. I mean, you can feel the paint. It's just raised. So pretty. And Kurobo beads are vibrant handcrafted glass beads made by the Kurobo people of Ghana, West Africa. And these next beads, I mean, these are so pretty too. These are blue pastel Java gooseberry beads, and these are small handmade glass beads from Java, Indonesia. Very pretty. I mean, look at these beautiful colors in here. So authentic and beautiful. And look at, I mean, the size varies. So it's not all the same. So it is very artisan. And for a small bead, I mean, they have a very nice size hole. And I love that. I appreciate that. It's so nice. And this is a very nice size strand. Very nice. The next item is, he's really pretty. These are so gorgeous and vibrant. I mean, look at the size of these. We have so many different shapes and sizes. I mean, we have little discs. We have these little beautiful little spacers. I mean, so many beautiful patterns, beautiful color. These are premium medley of Ghana glass beads. I mean, yes, these are such a very vibrant medley of beads. I mean, look at the beautiful, vibrant colors. These are so pretty. And again, these have very nice size hole. Just beautiful artisan beads. I mean, this is so pretty together. These are so nice. Love it. Then the next item, this is a 3-strand bundle Ghana glass beads. So we have all these. I mean, look at how pretty. These beads are gorgeous. I mean, listen to them. Beautiful. You have these nice disc beads with very nice size hole. Nice size strand. I mean, I love these together. So nice. And then I thought this would pair with this very nicely as well. Very beautiful. I mean, look at the size of these beads. I mean, that is a nice substantial bead with, you know, very nice size hole. And then these are all glass beads. And the glass beads at the Bead Chest are made from actual recycled glass that are broken Coke bottles, windows, and tiles, and turn into this very beautiful, vibrant, wearable art. I mean, these are beautiful. I love all these beads together. I mean, this is gorgeous. These beads are definitely very artisan, top-notch, beautiful beads. And we are not done yet, so stay tuned. And this is the second bag. Oh my goodness. Oh, oh wow. These are so gorgeous. Wow. Okay, just give me a few minutes and I'll be right back. Okay, and next I'm going to show you these really cool beads. I have 2 strands here. Look at these. These are gorgeous. Now this is a rose pink Java French cross beads, and then this one is turquoise blue Java French cross beads. These are gorgeous. I love the cross detail on them. And of course, they're not exactly the same on, you know, each pattern is not the same, which I really appreciate that. Just the very, you know, uniqueness of them. Very nice. Now these are handmade glass beads from Java, Indonesia, featuring a distinctive geometric cross pattern inspired by European trade beads. And I really like these. And again, we have a, again, we have a very nice size hole, which I definitely can appreciate, and nice size strands as well. And then the next item, we have these coconut shell disc beads. So of course we have pink and gold, and these are 8mm. And these are very lightweight and very nice to use as spacer beads. I mean, a nice coconut shell. You could tell they're very, you know, hand painted. These are very nice and light. And again, you know, we have a nice size hole and then nice size strands. And then next we have these really nice green Picasso shell beads. These are gorgeous. Look at the pretty color on this, a very nice green, some, you know, kind of a goldish kind of, well, you know, it's a pearl. It has a pearl luster. So very nice. I mean, it's a nice strand of shells, and then the hole goes from side to side here. I mean, and same thing, these are very nice and lightweight. Look at this one, it's so pretty. But I love each one is different and unique. Very nice. And the hole is a lot smaller on these. And then the next item, we have these brown and beige natural saucer seed beads. I mean, look at these, are very nice. And again, these are very nice and lightweight, but these remind me of shell also. I just really like the pattern on them. And then here is our hole. So again, it's a little bit smaller, but it is a seed bead. But it says it is 10mm. Of course, these are, you know, different, not exactly round, so, but very nice. Very pretty. Have so many ideas. Next, we have these really pretty, bright, sunflower yellow recycled glass beads. These are 11mm, and of course, no two are exactly the same. I mean, the size may vary slightly. I mean, you could tell these are all natural, all handmade. I mean, there's a lot of imperfections, which makes these totally unique. But again, a nice size hole. And I mean, just so pretty and vibrant. And then it's a very nice size strand. And then what my idea is to pair this with these beautiful, now my idea, hear me out, is to pair this. Now, isn't this beautiful? I absolutely love this. This is tourmaline pink bone button beads. This is 10mm. So again, nice size hole, little flat disc, but look at the beautiful paint on this. I mean, the color is gorgeous with these little dark speckles. But yes, what if, I mean, I'm thinking if I do something with this beautiful bright yellow, with this beautiful bright pink. So I was thinking if I added these really cute whitefish shaped carved bone beads. Aren't these really, really cute? I mean, these are so unique. Look at the hole size, so a very nice hole size. But look at these. These definitely, you could tell, are hand painted. I mean, each one is so different. But look at, if we pair this together, isn't that so cute? I think this is cute. So I want to do something with this coming up very, very soon because I really like this. I think that is very pretty. I love all these bright colors mixed with the beautiful black and white of these little fish. And we have our last few items here. So we have these beautiful Ashanti glass saucer beads. These are 14mm. I mean, look at this color. It's beautiful. The hole size is so nice and large. I love them. I mean, these beads have a very nice substantial weight to them. I mean, these are just gorgeous. And then we have these really pretty rose pink Padre beads. These are 8mm. Very nice, pretty light pink. I mean, this looks beautiful together. And then these, of course, also have a very nice size hole and a very nice little disc shape. And of course, these are glass beads that are handcrafted in Ghana using 100% recycled glass. And then we have one more item, and that is natural coconut shell ring pendants. So you get a lot of these. I mean, look at these. You could tell the coconut shell. I mean, look at the beautiful handcrafted look of these. Very natural. So these are very nice. I mean, you could definitely tell they're not perfect, which I love. I mean, hello, that's my, my style. I always tell you, I'm not perfect. I love things to have that very natural, organic look to it, and that is these for sure. And I just thought these would be very nice to connect a pendant to for a necklace. I mean, we could make earrings out of these. I don't generally do earrings that are too large, but yes, I mean, there's just so many possibilities with these. I just really love the very natural and organic look of these coconut shell rings. And first, I want to say thank you so much to the Bead Chest for sending me all these beautiful, organic, artisan beads. I absolutely love them. I mean, they are just more beautiful than I even have imagined, and I just cannot wait to get started to design with these. Thanks again to Bead Chest. Okay, guys, well, that's everything from the Bead Chest bead haul. I absolutely love everything. I mean, I could honestly say that these beads were worth the wait. I already have about 100 ideas running through my head, from asymmetrical necklaces and chaos clusters to beachy boho bracelets, bandana jewelry, sari silk creation, and who knows what else. The sky is the limit. These beads are absolutely beautiful and natural, organic. I really love it. Be sure to let me know in the comments which beads were your favorite. What stood out to you? And what would you like to see me to create first? If you enjoyed today's unboxing, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss the jewelry tutorials coming next. Thank you so much for spending a little time with me today, and until next time, let's keep it messy, let's keep it boho, and as always, let's keep beading. And I will see you in the next one. Thank you.